shall now check the clamping procedure of the cables. Open this nut. Then open the clamp. Place the wire and do the basic tightening. And again place this nut. Make sure this lock is also tightened. Now the other end of the wire. Make it as much straight as possible first, manually, and then place it this side. Now the cable has been clamped from both the sides, but it is not straight. There is a lot of sag in the cable, which we shall be removing now using the mechanism. We shall now be checking the readings. Right now we can see we have made these connections. Readings that we are getting is 102.4, 102.5 microohms. This is the temperature, this is the corrected reading, and this is the conductivity. Right now exactly at 1 meters we are getting the readings. The readings are very stable. The main advantage of this gripping and this clamping is that the conductor is now homogeneous and uniform current is been flowing, and we will get stable values even for aluminium conductors. This is the temperature sensor which is connected. It is converting it to 20 degrees and giving us the required readings. Should you require any other details, please feel free to contact the manufacturer. Thank you.